So how to download VS Code? So search in your Google VS Code download and enter, and the first link you have to click on this download Visual Studio Code for Mac, Linux, Windows. So here it says that if you are a Mac user, then you have to click on it, and you have a Linux user, then you have to choose from here. But if you have a Windows user, then you have to download directly from here. So if you have 32-bit operating system, then you have to click on it, but if you have 64-bit operating system, then you have to click on it. So in my case I have 64-bit operating system, so I will click on it. So after clicking on it, it will suggest me that start download. So yeah, let's download. So I will pause the video. After downloading, we will install it. So we successfully downloaded VS Code. Now you have to click on downloads folder, and there will be another folder. You have to click on programs, and there we have successfully downloaded VS Code. Now it's time to install it. So click on this, double click, and there will be a window pop up. Okay, so just accept, click on this, I accept the agreement, and next. Now you can select your directory, in which directory you want to install it. So in most cases we use C directory, so yeah, of course C folder. So let next, and here we will next. So just check this one, create a desktop icon, because after installing I want to display my VS Code on my desktop. So check this one, and yeah, it's enough. So next, and it will be extracting all the files that we needed for our coding. And after installing, we will open it out, and then we will check that how we can set folders and files. So we have successfully installed, and let's click on finish, and here we have a folder. Okay, so it's automatically opened. How to create folder, how to open that folder in Visual Studio Code, how to create HTML file while using Visual Code, how to create CSS file. So I will create here a folder in which I will put all the lectures of CSS styling while using VS Code. So there are two ways to create folder in your PC, by Control Shift and N. I repeat, by Control Shift and N. So let me Control Z it. You can remove it by pressing Control Z. The other way, you can press on your mouse right key, and here you can create a new folder by using new. So here it will be folder. So in that two ways you can create your folder. So I will give it a name by the CSS lectures. Okay, CSS lectures. Now I will open this, and in this I will open my Visual Code. So we have two ways. First way is right click, and there must be the icon of VS Code. But if for some reason there is not present your VS Code icon, then you can simply Control Shift right click. I repeat, Control Shift right key, press, and after that open PowerShell window. So click on this, and it will be pop up this window. So write here code dot and enter press, and it will open your Visual Studio Code. So it's gonna be opened. Okay, perfect. Now here you can see on the right left corner there is a parent directory that is called CSS lecture that we have created. Within this you can create here a file, new file, and here you can create new directory or new folder. So I will create here a file by the name of index.html. Whenever you create HTML file, then you have to give it a name, after that dot, and then HTML, and enter. So after that you just press shift and exclamation mark and enter, and it will give you the basic structure of HTML. But if you want to create CSS file, then just write here style. I'm giving name. You can give any name as you wish. and press dot and CSS enter. So here it will give you the file of CSS. So in that way you can create your folder, and then you can open within this folder your VS Code, and then you can create here files. So in the next video we will do our coding, that how we can link our CSS to HTML page or HTML document. So see you in this video.